Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox voice chat on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox console and the Roblox application are completely up to date. Next, connect a compatible headset with a microphone to your Xbox controller. Finally, verify your Xbox privacy settings are configured to allow voice communication with other players. These initial 3 steps are crucial for a smooth setup process, ensuring you're ready to dive into the world of spatial audio. Once your setup is complete, open the Roblox application on your Xbox. Navigate to the Roblox settings menu, usually found by pressing the menu button. Here, locate and enable the voice chat or spatial voice option. Remember, you'll need to confirm your age verification within Roblox, as this is a mandatory requirement for accessing voice chat features. This ensures a safe and age-appropriate experience for everyone. With voice chat enabled, you can now join any Roblox experience that supports spatial voice. As you play, look for the small microphone icon above other players' avatars. This indicates they are also using voice chat. Simply speak into your headset microphone to communicate with players nearby. You can easily adjust voice chat volume and access mute options through the in-game menu, giving you full control over your audio experience. If you encounter any issues, start by checking your internet connection for stability. Often, a quick restart of your Xbox and the Roblox application can resolve minor glitches. Always ensure your headset microphone is not accidentally muted or disconnected. Finally, take a moment to review Roblox's community guidelines for appropriate voice chat behavior, ensuring a positive and respectful environment for all players. Happy chatting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.